for rose. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xtree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.